Welcome back. Goa police responded relatively well when a staff of Prudent called on 1091 helpline number to assist women in distress. It took 18 minutes for the police van to reach at Goa University from Akshi. Every minute for a female in distress is crucial. Overall, the helpline 1091 with a few changes will be really helpful.
Goa government has launched a helpline to rescue the females in distress and trouble. The number is 1091. Prudent tried to check whether this helpline was really helping the needy efficiently. Prudent called on this helpline number and had its first-hand experience. Have a look at the report.
Hello, helpline number wo? हांव स्नेहा उलयतां. हांगा दोन चले आमी आतां आमची क्लास आत्तां सोंपल्या आनी आतां आमी बसीक रावल्या हांगा. हांव गोवा युनिवर्सिटी कडेन आसा, लायब्ररीच्या फुडें. स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स बी आसा न्ही, ग्रावंड आहा, मॅची बी जाता ती वयर. पणजे दोनापावला वयर युनिवर्सिटी कडेन. टायम जाला 5:12. 5:10 हांवें पुलीस हेल्पलायन 1091 हाचेर फोन केलो तेन्ना हो नंबर अनअवेलेबल आसा अशें सांगलें. उपरांत हांवें म्हज्या दुसऱ्या नंबरा वयल्यान फोन केलो तेन्ना फोन लागलो. पुलिसांक हांगा धाडटा अशें म्हाका सांगलें. आतां आमी पुलिसांची वाट पळया. पुलिसांनी म्हाका आत्तां परत फोन केलो, तांणी कन्फर्म करपा खातीर म्हाका फोन केल्लो. आतां 10 मिनटां जाल्लीं आसा, अजून पुलिसांचो पत्तो ना. पुलिसांच्या हेल्पलायन नंबराचेर फोन करून आतां 15 मिनटां जालीं. आतां म्हाका परत फोन आयिल्लो आसा. हॅलो, हां कोण? हय फोन केल्लो हांवें. आतां हांगाच रावला. म्हाका आतां परत फोन आयिल्लो. तांची गाडी हांगा पावल्ली आसा, पूण ते एक्झॅक्ट लोकेशन ट्रेस करूंक पावंक ना. हांव आतां 15-20 मिनटां जालीं रावला. ते गेले आतां. तांकां धरून काय रावंक शकना न्ही हांव. हांवें कितल्यो बसी सोडल्यो.
आमी कॉला घातली. हांव पळय तो तस्सो ताका घेवन येयले आमी. फर्स्ट हो कॉल अटेंड करपा ताका लागून थंयच्यान घेवन येयले आमी. कितले फास्ट वयले वय.
ना म्हाका आतां 3 फोन आयले, तुमी खंय आसा करून.
आमकां पयलीं स्पोर्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स
पयली गाडी
ना हांवें कितें सांगलें, लायब्ररी आनी स्पोर्ट्स रूम आहा तेज्या मदीं आसा हांव म्हणून. आनी हांगा हें तें बांदलां न्यू बी तें सांगलां हांवें थंय आसा म्हणून एक्झॅक्टली.
कितें जालें कितें?
हांगा कोण आसले 2 जाण आनी फकाणां मारूंक लागले आनी कितें कमेंट्स पास करूंक लागले.
नंबर बी कितें काडलो?
ना.
Police reached at the venue after 18 minutes of calling. These are the suggestions from Prudent. A girl in distress or grave trouble needs urgent help as every minute is crucial for her. Police on duty attending the distress call should have a thorough knowledge of the areas assigned to him or her. Secondly, this initiative needs a separate vehicle. The robot vehicle has a speed limitation. Police will have to attend such calls with a swift approach. There should be medical assistance and a female police constable in the van.
पुलिसांच्या हेल्पलायन नंबर 1091 ह्या नंबराचेर हांवें 5:10 हांवें फोन केल्लो. वट्ट 18 मिनटां उपरांत पुलीस हांगा पावले. म्हाका ह्या दरम्यान 2 फोन आयले. पयलीं फोन आयलो तुजो लोकेशन परत सांग म्हणून आनी ताणें नंबर म्हाजो चॅक केलो. उपरांत परत फोन आयलो की तांची व्हॅन हांगा पावल्या, पूण ते म्हाका सोदूंक पावंक ना. निमणें ताणें म्हाका सोदलें, पूण तो मेरेन हांवें सांगलें की ते कोण म्हाजी फकाणां मारताले ते पळून गेले म्हणून. ताणें म्हाका त्या गाडयेचो नंबर विचारलो. हांवें म्हणलें हांवें नंबर पळोवंक ना. ते म्हणपा लागले आमी सगळें काम सोडून तुका हांगा पळोवपाक आयला कितें जालां तें, तुवें नंबर तरी पळोवंक जाय आसलो. तातूंत एक गजाल आनी एक कळ्ळी की जी तांची गाडी आसा सुमो रॉबर्ट, ती ताका 80 स्पिडी वयर व्हरूंक मेळना. गाडी खंय हालता फूल. मागीर अशा आपतकालीन वेळार पुलिसांनी करचें कितें? ओमकार फळारी वांगडा हांव स्नेहा सबनीस, प्रुडंटा खातीर.
The High Court on Monday wrapped Goa police for registering second FIR in Koregaon illegal mining case. The High Court observed that in second FIR registered in the missing file case, 90% facts are overlapping with the first FIR.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Monday questioned the intention of Goa police for registering second FIR in Koregaon illegal mining case. The High Court observed that there is nothing new in second FIR and about 90% facts are overlapping with the first FIR. This observation came during the hearing of petition filed by intervener Kashinath Shetye challenging the anticipatory bail granted to the accused by trial court. Congress leader Jitendra Deshprabhu is the main accused in this case and trial courts has granted anticipatory bail to him. The High Court has issued notice to Jitendra Deshprabhu and the accused and has given 2 weeks time to file their reply. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Now, not only Environment Department but more departments will be involved in maintaining cleanliness in public places. Environment Minister Alina Saldana revealed that she is planning to involve various departments in keeping the state garbage free. Saldana also informed that Task Force Committee will meet soon to solve garbage menace in the state.
Have a look. This is not a garbage dumping site. This is a stretch in Zuarinagar Sakwar Panchayat area. This is nothing new. Media has been highlighting this issue from past so many days. Environment Ministry organized various cleanliness drives along this stretch. People were made aware, but the garbage is seen dumped at the same place. We question Environment Minister Alina Saldana over this mess.
At every level, we are trying to put a system in place. Okay. In fact, I think coming Thursday, the Task Force Committee on Solid Waste will be meeting, and I think we are going to take a final decision on who is the, whether the contractors that have been selected are going to be given the contract. All these decisions will be taken. Also with respect to the garbage treatment plant.
She also informed us that meeting of task force will be held soon to solve the issue.
Another decision that the committee will be taking is we have decided to take up various stretches of the national highway and allot this responsibility of maintaining cleanliness of these stretches of the highway to different departments.
Panchayatin warning बरयला हांगसर CCTV installed, पण हांगसर CCTV खंयच दिसना. गार्बेज उडयता तांकां धरपाक लागून, पण आनी लोक हांगसर हे गार्बेज उडयत आसा. ही गार्बेज सगळ्या आख्ख्या रस्त्याभर पसरलेली आसा आनी सगळ्या लोकांक हांगसर त्रासदायक ठरलेली आसा. पंचायत जाणाले हांगसरली जी न्यूली इलेक्टेड एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर एलिना साल्डाना हेजेर दखल घेतली काय कितें आनी ही हांगसरली गार्बेज ही काडटली काय कितें. जुवारीनगरच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Deputy Collector of South Goa sealed Tokunkole industrial plots containing hazardous waste on Monday. The action followed by the directives by the South Goa Collector and Goa State Pollution Control Board. Meanwhile, Weights and Measures Department seized 200 duplicate helmets in Madgaon.
2 plots in Kukari Industrial Estate containing hazardous waste of the firm, the Axis, was sealed on Monday by the Deputy Collector of South Goa. Surendra Naik, Deputy Collector of South Goa, informed that he has acted upon the directives of South Goa Collector and the Goa State Pollution Control Board.
We have inspected the premises and accordingly sealed as per the directions given by the Collector South and also as per the direction issued by Goa State Pollution Control Board. The entire sealing process was completed by 9:30 AM and accordingly we have reported the compliance to Collector South and Goa State Pollution Control Board. It is the directions issued by the Goa State Pollution Control Board. They have given a speaking order and we are only asked to comply the orders.
We tried to contact officials of the Goa State Pollution Control Board, but we could not get anybody for comment. Meanwhile, Weights and Measures Department team seized 200 duplicate helmets sold along the roadside in Madgaon. Goods seized are almost worth 45,000 rupees. The raid was conducted under the guidance of Assistant Controller Prasad Shirodkar.
रोड सेफ्टी वीक चालू आसा आणि हे हेल्मेट विकणाऱ्यांक इतले इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्ले की असले हेल्मेट विकू नका म्हणून तेजेर MRP ना, डेट ऑफ मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग ना, बॅच नंबर ना सांगून सुद्दां तेणी असो कार्मर कॉलेजी फुडल्यान तो 10 हेल्मेटां धरून विकपाक बसतालो. तर आज तेजी रेड मारली आनी तेजे कडल्यान अबाउट 200 हेल्मेटां दिल्ले वर्थ अबाउट 45,000 रुपीज. आता इन्स्पेक्शन चालूच आसा आनी लोकांक अशें सांगता की हेल्मेट घेतना मातशें बरे हेल्मेट घेवपाची, आपली सेफ्टी पळोवपाची आनी ही रेड आमची अशीच चालू आसतली.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.